everyone, welcome back. I am Julie. Today I'm going to be planning out just a day in my daily MakseLife planner. Now obviously the MakseLife planner has not launched. However, you can, if you are on their email list, you received the access to their library where you can print out the daily and start trying it out for yourself. I have already started using it a few days here and there, and I am loving it. I'm really loving it. So this is what the page looks like when you print it out. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the edge off of it because it really just isn't helpful to me to have it on here. Okay, there's that. Now we just have the daily page all by itself. So I'm going to be using a few stickers from Chrissy Designs from this $2 Tuesday collection. This was from a couple of weeks ago. I love her $2 Tuesdays a lot. And then when I saw that the stickers for the Daily Duo would pretty much work with these stickers, or with this planner, I should say, that I was going to use those in here. I'm also going to use some stickers just because the color scheme matches very well. These stickers from Create with Bree. She has this amazing sticker pad that is full of nothing but neutral stickers. I have a whole video from a few weeks back that kind of goes over this book more in detail, but it is just super fun to use. All right, so I'm going to be planning out a Monday. It is actually Monday, November 1st. So I'm just going to take the date header here, and hopefully you guys can see. All right, I've got you guys zoomed in a little bit better there. So I'm just going to start with the Monday date header. Obviously this is going to have a very different look and feel when it is on the coil. So I'm really excited about it. Obviously you're going to have like a coil a little bit of the ways like sticking out. So I don't know, right now I'm just enjoying the ease of no coil, but I know that that's going to end soon. I'm just going to grab the number 1 here. Love the colors of this kit. I'm kicking myself for not ordering more of the Daily Duo strips. I did realize that I accidentally ordered the one for the 2020 Daily Duo, so it has Saturday and Sunday together, but Kristen does offer a different option where Saturday and Sunday are separate. I can just cut it in half. That's not a big deal. All right, so let's see what else we're going to use from here. Probably not too much because I don't want to go overboard with the stickers. I do like using this section right here for my top 3. So I'm probably, let's see, I can probably use one of these skinny event labels here. Let me see, this is kind of like trial and error since this is a very new planner for me. But let me see if she has anything that's skinny enough to go across the top there. Probably not, and that's okay. So I think what I'm going to do is do just maybe even just a top 2. Let's see how this fits on here. So it's going to kind of, I just like how even it is by putting it there so it does cover up one of the dots. And I am going to grab my Sharpie pen marker and just write priorities on there. And this is going to be really similar to like my top 3 that I was doing in the Plum Paper Planner. But since it's just my 2 priorities, it's just going to be medication and vitamins. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab another event label, or just a skinny event label, and mark this part today. And the paper that I use to print is the Target brand, I believe. It's their 28-pound paper. It works really great with stickers. However, it's not quite as thick as the MakseLife paper, so that's definitely something to keep in mind. There's the today. And then the way that I like to write my times in this planner, because the times are not written in here, is with the 0.5 side of the Zig Clean Color dot marker. So because it is a weekday, I'm going to start off at 6 o'clock and then work my way down. I do like skipping the hours. It just looks a little bit less cluttered, so I just do the even hours in here. Of course, you can do it however you want, but this is just how I like looking at the page, and it's just easy for me to look at. All right, so there is that. Then I'm going to use the dot side for my AM routine and my PM routine to just mark those there. And then for work, what I want to do is use the work stickers that I ordered a while back from Christian Designs, and I did order some neutral sheets, so that is going to be perfect. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and go with the lightest of the gray ones. I think that'll work perfectly. I'm just going to use a ruler to draw the lines. Sometimes I freehand it. Lately I've been liking using the rulers. I'm at work from 8 to 4. I'm actually at work from 7 to 4, but my schedule time is 8 to 4. I just like going in early. I like the quietness of the day. I really, really do. So a couple of things that I'm already loving about this layout is the fact that everything is like just so neutral. I'm not having to worry about matching up anything. Now, one of the things that I have been doing in here is just kind of drawing some lines across the work area. Some days I do it, some days I don't, but I kind of did it here. I didn't put in appointments and meetings and things like that because it's already in my weekly. I don't feel like I need to repeat it again, if that makes sense. I mean, I could one day and I could decide not to another day. I probably should have done this before I had put the work sticker down, but that's fine. I just like the way that this looks. It just kind of blocks out the whole day. And again, this isn't totally necessary. It's just about how you like your page to look. And it's definitely not even on each line either. And that's it for my schedule for the day. I was also going to put down dinner. I might decide to do that later on. I just haven't fully decided. So I'm going to go ahead and grab another one of these skinny labels. I love using these in the daily. They just take up less space. And this is going to be my to-do section. And then I'm going to put one more, and that's going to be the content area. I already have so many regrets that I didn't order more of these. Oh my goodness, such beautiful colors. Beautiful. All right, and this is going to be content. So it's very similar to how I had my plum paper set up, except just kind of flipped around. All right, so for to-dos, I know right now I'm probably gonna have to put away my laundry because it is Halloween when I'm filming this, and I just don't think I'm gonna get to it before cooking, all of that before we start handing out candy and things like that. So I'm going to need to put away laundry, make sure we run the Roomba downstairs, and then if I have a chance to, I want to clean up my office. So later on today, I'm actually going to be ordering 2 new pieces of furniture for my office, and hopefully I can film all of that and take you guys along when I redo my office space for the 500th time. All right. Next, I just kind of want to leave some space because these are like all tasks type of things, and then I want to add just some additional habits that I want to track. So I definitely want to make sure I'm doing my daily delete. I skipped that a few days and I have so many regrets because my phone was just like, what in the world? I couldn't find what I needed. I love just being able to go in and clean stuff out daily. I want to make sure I'm making time to read and then focusing on my skincare. All right, next up for content, since it is Monday, I'm going to be making sure that I share my plan with me, go through any comments, messages, answer any emails, and then hopefully I will spend some time working on my font. I've started really getting into it like deeply, like I pretty much just started over from scratch. I started working on it last year, a little over a year ago. And I just kind of lost steam with it because I'll have to dive into it some other time why I lost steam with it, but I just did. I basically just gave up. Well, then I restarted the process and now I'm like 97% done with it. Yeah, that's just where I'm at. So I'm kind of sharing more that I'm working on it to kind of also hold myself accountable and not let myself be like talked out of doing it again, if that makes sense. All right, so at the bottom, I kind of saw, I can't remember who did it first kind of thing. I don't know. But I saw, I think it was Mom Run Craft, put her water, workout, and read over here. I'm just going to do water, workout, and unplug since I put read up here. There are some shaded boxes in here. I love that the shading is pretty much very, very minimal, and it's so freaking light. I love it. So workout, water, and then unplug. And now I'm kind of trying to decide if I really want to use any sort of boxes under here, because I'm not sure what I would do with those. But what I've also been using, like these floral stickers, come from this Happy Planner sticker book that I've had for quite a while. And I think there is some blue in here. Maybe I imagined it. It's like no, it is black. That's fine too. But there are some really pretty stickers in here that could be used to decorate the bottom. And I think I might do that, because I think that would be really pretty. They have a clear backing to them. I like that they have given you just this dot grid area that you can kind of just do whatever you want with. There's just no rules, which I love. So I'm just gonna put those in here. Oh, they are just so pretty. I kind of love the way that looks, kind of, sort of. I can't make up my mind. You know what I want to do? I'm so glad that this paper is, for the most part, sticker friendly. I'm going to do a gratitude box on this corner. Let me see if I can get that put back in the sticker book somewhere. I did it on this day. I think this was Saturday. Yes, this was yesterday. So I did like the floral over here and then a box over here. So I'm going to do the same thing. And let's see if there is a box that will match. I know it will. Let's go back here. Yes, and I think I'm going to go with this tan one. And that will be where the gratitude goes. I think that's going to be perfect. All right, so that is it for the daily plan with me. I know I've already said it. I'm going to say it again. I can't wait till this planner fully launches. I think the layout is going to be perfect for me. I know that this is 100% without a doubt going to be a part of my lineup for 2022. So just also be on the lookout. I will have a review of the actual MakseLife daily planner coming up here on my channel. All right, guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.